Hey friends, if you encounter the error, we are sorry, but Excel has run into an error that is preventing it from working correctly, then please watch this video. Now, if it is specific to Excel, then here's the first solution. Press Windows plus R, delete anything in this field, type excel.exe space forward slash save and hit enter. Wait for a few seconds. It will open Microsoft Excel in the safe mode. Now, click on File, select Options, go to Add-ins, this one here, change this to com add-ins, click on go, check all of these add-ins here, click on remove, okay, okay, close it, and then reopen it. It will solve the problem. But okay, if it does not, then here's what you have to do next. Okay, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to apps, go to installed apps. Now you may have Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Office depending upon the version that you keep on your system. Okay, all you need to do is click on the three dots associated with it, modify, select online repair and click on the repair button here. I won't click on it because it will push it into the repair mode, but you have to click on the repair button. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.